Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Apex. Imagine stepping back into a time when trucks weren't just workhorses but true icons of style, charm, and simplicity, yet now reimagined for the modern era. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, a truck that blends the nostalgic soul of a classic with the refinement, technology, and performance of today's automotive engineering. This isn't just a pickup, it's a statement of heritage brought back to life for a new generation of drivers who crave authenticity but refuse to compromise on modern comforts. The first thing that captures your attention is the front design, staying true to its 1950s inspiration with that bold chrome grille, rounded fenders, and signature Chevrolet badging that instantly recalls the golden era of American pickups. The headlights maintain a vintage rounded look but feature modern LED technology for a perfect mix of retro styling and cutting-edge performance. The bumper is elegantly simple yet substantial, designed to echo durability while giving the truck a timeless charm. Moving to the side, you'll notice the flowing body lines and rounded cab that faithfully recreate the original proportions but with subtle refinements for aerodynamics and structural strength. The wheel arches carry that vintage flair, while the 20-inch alloy wheels bring in a touch of contemporary character, giving it both rugged stance and sleek appeal. At the back, the truck bed carries a classic wood inlaid design, staying loyal to its roots but now treated with modern finishes for durability and weather resistance. The taillights mirror the old-school design but are equipped with LED elements, giving them a clean glow. The tailgate wears Chevrolet's name in bold, embossed letters, tying together the heritage look with pride. Inside the cabin, you are greeted with a blend of nostalgia and modernity. The dashboard carries a retro-inspired layout with round gauges and metallic accents but integrates digital clusters, touchscreen infotainment, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly. Premium leather seating, hand-stitched details, and subtle chrome trims highlight the craftsmanship, while modern conveniences such as wireless charging, advanced climate control, and driver assist technologies elevate the driving experience far beyond what the original ever offered. Space is generous, with clever storage solutions that blend into the vintage design language without looking forced. When it comes to performance, Chevrolet has ensured that the 3100 is not just a showpiece but a capable and reliable truck. Under the hood, you'll find a modern V6 or optional turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, tuned for both power and efficiency, delivering around 325 horsepower in its higher configuration. There's also speculation of an electric variant, combining zero emissions with instant torque while maintaining the heritage styling intact. The ride is smoother than you'd expect from a vintage-inspired truck, thanks to updated suspension, modern braking systems, and advanced handling dynamics. Whether you're cruising in the city or taking it down a rural road, it delivers a balanced experience that bridges the gap between nostalgia and everyday practicality. Pricing starts around the mid-$50,000 range, which places it as a premium pickup but still competitive considering its unique blend of heritage styling and modern performance. Higher trims with added luxury touches or potential electric powertrains could push it closer to $70,000. For collectors, enthusiasts, or those who simply want to stand out with a truck that carries history in every line, this feels like a worthy investment. If you're considering it, think about how you'll use it. This isn't the truck to buy if you're looking for a purely utilitarian workhorse, but rather if you want something that delivers daily drivability while turning heads at every corner. It's a conversation starter, a piece of art on wheels, and a nod to America's automotive past while still fully functional in 2025. And as we wrap up, it's clear that the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is more than a vehicle. It's an emotional connection to a simpler time, redefined for today. It honors the craftsmanship of the past while embracing the innovation of the present. For anyone who values heritage but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort and technology, this truck might just be the perfect bridge between yesterday and tomorrow. So, would you take the wheel of this modern classic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more deep dives into the most fascinating vehicles shaping the roads of today and tomorrow.